Today, we will be replacing the high beam bulbs on a 2010 Toyota Camry. As you can see, this is where the high beam bulb is located. Access to this bulb is blocked by the washer fluid reservoir, so we are going to remove the headlight. First, we will start by removing the bolt located above the headlight housing. We are using a 10mm socket to do this. Next, you will remove the bolts holding the bumper in place. There will be 3 bolts in total to remove this piece. Now you'll want to remove the bolt located inside the wheel well. To access this bolt, you'll want to remove the clip holding the liner in place. In this case, the clip is missing, so we're going to just pull back the liner. As you can see, there's a screw here which is holding the bumper in place. You will want to remove this. You will then pull the bumper out. It is held in place by clips. Work your way around the bumper to detach it from the clips. You will then be able to remove the metal piece located behind the bumper. Now if you look closely, you will see that there is another screw that will need to be removed. Next, you'll want to go back to the side of the front bumper and remove the bolt. After that bolt has been removed, you should be able to pull the headlight out. Once the headlight has been removed, you'll want to remove the high beam dust cover. To remove the bulb, you will first undo the clip that is holding it in place. You'll want to push down on each side of the clip. Next, you'll want to pull the bulb out of the housing. To disconnect the bulb from the wiring harness, you will just pull out the bulb. Now let's get our new ALA lighting LED bulbs. As you can see, the mounting brackets are identical. You'll want to connect the driver to the bulb before installing. Make sure that the 2 arrows are lined up and then twist clockwise to secure it. Looking at the LED bulb, you'll see that it has 2 connections and that the stock bulb only has 1. That is because the base of the halogen bulb acts as a ground and the ground is connected to the bracket located in the headlight housing. So you will connect the ground wire, connecting the positive connection. We recommend using pliers to apply some pressure so that the ground stays connected. Do the same for the positive connection as well. After pulling the rubber covers over the connections, we're going to apply electrical tape to make sure the connection is even more secure. Now in order to properly install the LED bulb, you'll want to remove the mounting bracket on the LED bulb. Once removed, install the mounting bracket and you may want to use a screwdriver to assist you with this. You will then push down on the clips to lock it into place. The next step is to push the bulb directly into the housing. Make sure that the chips are facing left to right. This will ensure the beam direction is accurate.